Hi, in this question, I'm going to solve a practice question for understanding the tangent, cosine, and sine ratio. So look at the triangle ABC. So find the hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent. So from here, the opposite is in front of the angle. So BC. Adjacent is next to the angle but not the longest one. So here is the adjacent AC. And the hypotenuse is the longest line and always in front of the right angle. So this is AB. Next, DEF. So hypotenuse is the longest one and opposite of the right angle. So this is gonna be DF. Opposite, okay, in front of the angle EF. And then adjacent next to the angle but not the longest one, so DE. Next, X, Y, Z. Hypotenuse, opposite of the right angle and the longest one, X, Z. Opposite angle is here in front of the angle XY. And adjacent next to the angle but not the longest one, Y, Z. Okay, for each, find, okay, sine A, cos, and tangent. Okay, give the correct answer to the 3 decimal place. Okay, when it's necessary. Okay, we'll make it seen. Here is sine theta. Sine is opposite divided by hypotenuse. So this is gonna be 3/5. Or this is gonna be 0.6. Next, the cos theta. Adjacent 4 divided by hypotenuse 5. So 4 divided by 5 is gonna be 0.8. Okay, next tan. Tan is opposite divided by adjacent. So tan theta is gonna be 3/5. Or it's gonna be 0.75. Next, B, sin opposite divided by hypotenuse. So cos is gonna be adjacent divided by hypotenuse, cha, and tangent is gonna be opposite divided by adjacent, toa. So opposite of the angle is 5. So 5 divided by the hypotenuse 13. Cos is adjacent 12. Divided by the longest line or in front of the right angle 13. Okay, we got it. Opposite is 5 divided by 12. Next, let's make it to the nearest 3 decimal digit. So 5 divided by 13 is going to be 0.385. Here 12 divided by 13 is going to be 0.923. 5 divided by 12 is going to be 0.417. Next. Okay, let's identify where is opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. So this is the opposite. In front of the right angle is hypotenuse, and the smallest next to the angle is adjacent. Okay, we got it. Remember, so for sin is so. Opposite divided by hypotenuse. Cos is cha. Cosine is adjacent divided by hypotenuse, and the last is toa. Opposite divided by adjacent. Okay, we got sin theta. Opposite is 7 divided by 8.6 is cos theta. Adjacent is 5 divided by 8.6. Next is tan theta. Opposite is 7 divided by 5. Okay, make it to 3 decimal places. So first is gonna be 0.814. 5 divided by 8.6 gonna be 0.581. 7 divided by 5 is gonna be 1.4. Okay, opposite of the angle is 24, so this is as opposite. In front of is hypotenuse, the longest line, and next to the angle is adjacent. So sin theta is so opposite divided by hypotenuse 25. Cos is adjacent 7 divided by hypotenuse. Last is tan is opposite divided by adjacent 7. Okay, make it into 3 decimal places, so it's going to be 0.96. 7 divided by 25, it's going to be 0.28. Next, 24 divided by 7 is going to be 3.429. Next, E. Okay, opposite is 8, adjacent is next to the angle, and hypotenuse, the longest line, hypotenuse. So you got sin theta is going to be opposite 8 divided by 17. Cos theta is going to be adjacent 15 divided by 17. And the last tan theta is going to be opposite 8 divided by adjacent 15. Okay, we got it for E. It's going to be 0.471. Here 0.882. Last we got 0.533. Next F. Okay, opposite is 9. Adjacent is 12. And the hypotenuse, the longest line in front of the right angle. Hypotenuse. So make it sin theta, opposite is 9 divided by 15. Cos theta is 12 divided by 15. And then tan theta is opposite 9 divided by 12. It's going to be 0.6, 0.8, and the last is 0.75. Use a calculator. Okay, number 4. Use your calculator to find. And we will make it correct to 3 decimal places. Okay, you can type on your calculator sin 48 degree. So just make it correct to 3 decimal place. So this will give the answer of 0.743. Type it on your calculator, cos 12. So this is gonna be 0.978. Now we got tan 69. So tan 69 is gonna be 2.605. And we got sin 24.6. Use a calculator. It will give you the answer of 0.416. E 33. So use a calculator. Yeah, you have to use a calculator. It's gonna be 0.839. F, use a calculator. Tan 40. It's gonna be 0.839. And G, use a calculator again. Type it. Tan 10.5 is 0.185, and the last cos 6.87 is 0.993. Okay, I'll continue for the next part. Thank you.